5 News First Alert Weather.
All right, good morning to you. Friday is here and we're getting close to the weekend. We do have those first alert changes for your Saturday. We have clouds rolling in right now. I would say still have the sunglasses if you are heading out the next 15 to 30 minutes. We're still getting some breaks of sun, although a lot of those high thin clouds are starting to move into Las Vegas and they'll start to build into the afternoon. Current temperatures in the 70s, closer to 80 degrees, so it's already getting warm outside. And looking at your wind advisory, 11 a.m. to 11 p.m., it's still looking to bring in the strongest wind gusts across Las Vegas, portions of southern Nevada, southern Nye County and Pahrump, wind gusts up to 50 miles per hour. So just a heads up, could be dealing with some minor damage across Las Vegas, but a lot of debris, a lot of the dust getting kicked around. Not a great day for the allergies, got to admit, for Saturday. So just a heads up, you want to have that extra medication with you. But all the way to Dolan Springs, Kingman, and Laughlin, we're under this wind advisory. So your first alert weather days are up for Saturday and also Sunday. Sunday's still a little bit breezy, but that wind advisory does end at 11 p.m. Saturday. So we'll get the windiest weather out of the way for the start of your weekend. And then a few days, or at least on to Sunday into Monday, we'll have some breezes left over. Slight shower chance rolling into your Sunday morning, but mainly drying out after that. And we're getting very hot heading into next week. We'll show you that in your first alert forecast in a second. Your afternoon pickup, 88 degrees. It's going to be very warm, kind of seasonal for this time of year in the upper 80s. Partly to mostly cloudy skies, wind gusts around 20 to 30 miles per hour. So we're definitely starting to heat things up. And your first alert calendar over the next 2 weeks, Saturday and Sunday in particular, our first alert weather days. Sunday is looking much drier. Most of the rain chances will be here Saturday night late into Sunday morning, but still have Sunday up on the first alert calendar. The potential for a minor shower. And then our first 100-degree day on the calendar. So it looks like we're starting to heat up heading to the 23rd, and actually average for our first triple-digit day comes in on May 24th. So for your Friday, we are breezy at times. We'll have some cloud cover rolling in, but your Friday forecast about 12 o'clock, 86 degrees. So it's going to be a warm lunch out on the patio today if you do have plans to do that. And also into the early evening around 4 or 5 o'clock, mostly cloudy skies, temperatures in the upper 80s. So great pool forecast, although you will feel some gusts picking up across Las Vegas around 15 to 25 miles per hour. Then 9 o'clock on your Friday night, if you are getting out, lower 80s. It's going to be a very beautiful evening with wind speeds kind of winding down tonight, but they do return heading into your Saturdays. You'll notice these wind gusts coming out of the southwest. So we start to pick up the steam with some of this wind early around 10 o'clock. We're noticing some 20 to 30 mile per hour wind gusts. And then as we roll into the afternoon, I think right between 1 to 5 o'clock will be the strongest wind setting up for Las Vegas, 40 to 50 mile per hour gusts. So definitely going to be just having that first alert up. Any outdoor loose objects, you want to secure that. Any those valuables outdoors that could tip over and break, that can definitely happen on Saturday with these strong winds. After sunset, especially around 11 o'clock, could see things winding down with the wind. But speaking of 11 o'clock on your Saturday night, that's when the rain chance starts to move in as well. Just a minor chance at the moment for some scattered light rain pushing in from Pahrump to northern Las Vegas, and it starts to move just east of us as you get to 11 o'clock. But still the opportunity is there for a few light showers. Not going to be accumulating rainfall, not going to be a washout by any means for this weekend, but just a heads up, you may get clipped by a light rain shower Saturday night, and then we're mainly dry under Sunday and Monday, and temperatures around 83 degrees on Sunday. Cooler start next week, Monday, and then we're back up closer to 90 on Tuesday. And then you talk about some heat building in. Here we go. Summer's around the corner. 96 degrees Wednesday, closing in on our potentially first triple-digit day Thursday and Friday of next week.